Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Quiz Info. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel Quiz Info and press the bell button for new videos notifications. Without any further delay, let's start. Would you rather Grinch beanbag, unicorn beanbag or Pikachu beanbag? Comment what is your choice. Choose one gift box to get your bunk bed. Which gift box will you pick for your bunk bed? Damage bunk bed on Stitch gift box? No way! Would you rather Grinch bedroom or unicorn bedroom or Pikachu bedroom? Comment your choice. Can you find the odd Pikachu emoji? This Pikachu emoji is odd. Would you rather Green League or Unicorn Flying Carriage or Pikachu Electric Scooter? Comment what is your choice. Would you rather like this video or always sneeze right before taking a photo? Like this video if you don't want to take a photo like this. Choose one gift box to get your bicycle. Which gift box will you choose for your bicycle? Grinch, Roomy or Squishy? Oh no, damaged Roomy bicycle. Can you find the differences between these two pictures? They are right here. Would you rather Grinch Christmas cake or unicorn rainbow cake or Pikachu energy pancake? Would you rather Grinch hoodie or unicorn hoodie or Pikachu hoodie? Comment what is your choice. Choose one gift box to get your study desk. Which gift box will you choose for your study desk? Oh no, damaged this study desk. Which emoji is not like others? This Stitch emoji is not like others. Can you spot the differences between these two pictures? They are right here. Choose your backpack. Which gift box will you pick for your backpack? Damaged squishy backpack? No way! Would you rather Grinch playground or unicorn playground or Pikachu playground? Choose your playground. Pick one gift box to get your closet. Which gift box will you pick? Damaged squishy closet? No way! Which dumpling emoji is similar to the circle? This dumpling emoji is similar to the circle. Would you rather Grinch train or unicorn train or Pikachu train? Choose your train right now. Would you rather Grinch sneakers or unicorn sneakers or Pikachu sneaker? Comment what is your choice. Choose one gift box to get your swimming pool. Damn, a Stitch swimming pool? No way! Pick one gift box to enter your bathroom. Which gift box will you pick? Damn, a squishy bathroom. Oh no! Which emoji is not like others? This dumpling emoji is not like others. Pick one gift box to get your lamp. Which gift box will you pick to get your lamp? Oh no, damn, a Stitch lamp. Can you find the differences between these two images? There are the differences. Choose your office. Which gift box will you pick for your office? Broken desk on squishy office. Can you find the word Pikachu emoji? This Pikachu emoji is odd. Can you identify the differences between these two images? They are right here. Would you rather Grinch house or unicorn house or Pikachu house? Comment what is your choice. Choose your skateboard. Which gift box will you choose for your skateboard? Damn, a skateboard on Stitch gift box? No way! Can you find the differences between these two pictures? They are right here. Would you rather visit Grinch Candy Factory or Unicorn Candy Factory or Pikachu Candy Factory? Comment what is your choice. Would you rather subscribe Quiz Info or eat rotten eggs? If you don't want to eat rotten eggs, subscribe Quiz Info. Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Quiz Info and press the bell button for new videos notifications.